you want to lay your felt paper, your rhino roof, and then you lay your 2x2 metal. Then you go ahead and lay what you call here is a starter. You want to hang it about a 1/4 inch over so that water runs over the fascia board. Make sure you put a couple nails in there. You want the starter to stick real good to the roof so that first shingle will stick down in the wind and never blow it up, you guys. And go ahead and start laying the first row of shingles. Usually want to put between 5 and 6 nails in there. Then you go up your rack pattern. And just continue that there process.